Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to whichever part of the world you are in. Hi, I am Namrata Dhasmana, and close to 20 years of leadership experience have been in diversified industries like ITES, BFSI, Wells Fargo, manufacturing and mining industry, Vedanta. Presently associated with Genpact in their human resources, and I have also been in Indian Army in the capacity of officer, and I've seen length and breadth of the country. Yes, I come with the extremely strategic views of the entire industry, and that's how I'm also associated with Hans India, and I contribute and write on the economic analysis of India. And my thought leadership and my analysis goes in understanding and giving views of the real issues and the real problems what India is facing. So I'll be also speaking on the fifth edition of Global Digital Marketing Summit 2022. So hear me out, my thought leadership views on emerging trends of SEO, which is a very relevant and a very upcoming and lucrative career. So let's join in for this interesting speak, and let's join and speak out.